Yes, same, almost kasi ng question same lang. So what I've said din sa past interviews na with me, Nina, Ira, and the other girls na naglaro last season, it was easier for us to adjust sa system ni Fabio kasi halfway ng season, pumasok si Fabio sa team to help us. So, knowing then na there are other girls na bago sa team na new din to his system, so I think meron pang period of adjustment for them, but I think now mas nakaka-adapt na sila sa system ni Fabio.
Nabanggit mo nga na merong new girls. Siyempre, the biggest of them all, si Casey.
Yes.
Gaano kalaking boost yun sa inyo?
Of course, malaking tulong yun sa team, especially na meron kaming goal to incoming this season. We want to win games as much as possible to go into the Final Four. So, Cassie is a big addition to the team and also malaking tulong to get them over this season.
Given the firepower na nadagdag ng mga new players nyo, sa inyo namang seniors especially, would you say na parang mas step into a bigger leadership role pa ngayong season, given na parang kayo yung glue that needs to keep working together?
I think for me kasi unfortunately parang nagka-injury ako pre-season. So our target is to play second round pa ng UAAP. So for now, malaking tulong si Ira in terms of playing inside the court, leading the team, helping the girls to play with each other, gel yung team na nasa loob na naglalaro, even with Nina sa loob ng court. So I really appreciate yung mga seniors, Nina, Ira, for stepping up while I'm not there pa.
Kataputan mo yung sagot ni...
Ano injury mo?
Pwede ko sabihin yun? Yung injury ko? Desiccated disc with disc bulge ako sa likod, sa spine. So, yung problem na pag lumaki yung bulge, tas may maipit na nerve, playable pa naman siya now, but we don't want lang na to push it na baka mas lumala. So, we're managing it pa for me to be able to play for the second round.
So, bali second round pa yung safest na.
Let's see. Kasi parang yung sinabing healing time sa akin, medyo matagal eh. So, recent lang naman yung nalaman yung injury ko na yun. So, for me then, medyo nakakalungkot na I don't get to play pa lang for the pag-start pa lang ng season. So, but I'm trying to remind myself to be patient nga kasi there are girls talaga na are willing to step up for that position inside the court. So, hindi ako takot na wala ako sa loob. I'm more of proud sa girls na they can do it without me.
Kailan nangyari?
2 weeks before ng Shakey's preseason. So, nag-look forward pa namin na baka pwede akong makahabol pa sa Shakey's. So, upon rehab, wala talagang improvements. So, tsaka na kami nagpa-tests. So, doon nalaman na meron pala.
Pero hindi naman siya out for the season yung status. Hindi naman naabot out for the season yung
No.
So, hopefully
yes.
makita ka pa rin.
Yeah.